Ready to unlock a massive audience and skyrocket your sales? Then let's dive into creating your Temu seller account, step by step. First, head over to the Temu Seller Center, the gateway to your online store. You'll need to register, so click the sign up button. Make sure you have all your business information handy, like your legal business name, address, and contact details. Enter your business information carefully. Double-check everything for accuracy because Temu requires a verification process. You'll need to verify your identity, often through uploading documents like your business license and ID. Follow the instructions closely. Next up, setting up your payment methods. This is how you'll receive your hard-earned cash, so link your bank account or preferred payment gateway. Now, pay close attention to Temu's seller policies. Understanding these rules is key to a smooth and successful selling experience, so take your time to review them. Time to optimize your seller profile. Make sure your profile is professional, informative, and showcases your brand. Finally, prepare your product listings for success. Use high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing to attract customers. Congratulations, you're officially a Temu seller. Use your dashboard to track your sales, manage inventory, and grow your business. Get ready to sell.